subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And Miss Given. Um, have you ever wondered what it's like when a beloved TV star joins the cast of a new book adaptation? And let's dive into the exciting news that Gilmore Girls star Lauren Graham is joining the cast of Colleen Hoover's Reminders of Him. Colleen Hoover's novels have captured hearts worldwide, from Ugly Love to Slam. But it ends with Us in 2024 that truly catapulted her to fame. Despite some production drama, the film became a box office hit, earning $349.7 million globally. Now the focus shifts to Reminders of Him, set to star Scream Queen Micah Monroe. Tyreek Withers and Rudy Pankow also joined the cast, bringing their own flair to the drama. Lauren Graham, known for her role in Gilmore Girls, will play Grace Landry, the mother of Scotty, Kenna's late boyfriend. This adds a layer of depth to the story, making it even more compelling. The film, directed by Vanessa Caswell, is being produced by Jerry Bruckheimer and Lauren Levine, with filming underway in Calgary, Canada. It's set to premiere on February 13th, 2026. Hoover has more than just Reminders of Him in the works. She's also developing adaptations of Verity and Regretting You, with major studios involved. Regretting You features an impressive cast, including Allison Williams, McKenna Grace, and Dave Franco, set for release on October 24th, 2024. Verity, starring Josh Hartnett, Dakota Johnson, and Ismael Cruz Cordova, will hit theaters on May 15th, 2026. Talk about keeping the book to movie magic alive. With all these projects, it's clear that Colleen Hoover's stories are in good hands, and who knows, maybe Gilmore Girls fans will get a surprise cameo from Rory Gilmore herself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,